Well, hello and welcome back. Now, in this video, I want to briefly discuss the need to consider the environment that your problem exists in. Now, by environment, I'm not talking about the physical environment all around us, the air and the sea and the sky. I'm talking about the combination of external factors that influence your problem and influence any potential solution to that problem. External factors that your solution to the problem will need to consider if it's going to be a success. For example, if you need to make a process or a product change to solve your problem, you may face resistance from customers, co-workers, or your competitors. Or you may need some form of approval before proceeding, either an internal company approval from a department head, or perhaps an external approval from a regulator or some form of planning or zoning control board. However, more often than not, the problems we try to solve do not require a huge, in-depth environmental assessment. And this sort of assessment can usually be carried out quite quickly and does not need to be a major project. In this course, we're going to perform our environment assessments using a series of questions that I've adapted from two separate management models. The first model is a SWOT analysis, which I'm sure many of you have heard about or know about already. And SWOT stands for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. And we analyze those in relation to your problem. Also, we have a brief series of questions adapted from a model known as Porter's 5 Forces. This model is named after Michael Porter, a Harvard Business School professor who originally developed the model. The 5 forces help you understand the competitive forces and pressures that shape every industry, including your own, and helps you determine industry-wide competitive opportunities and threats. Now, please don't be concerned or worried about me throwing around all these business buzzwords. The list of questions is quite straightforward and easy to use. And if you have any questions at this point, I think you'll clearly understand the purpose of the environmental analysis once we've run through that list of questions. The questions are designed to help you understand if there are likely to be any factors, sometimes outside of your direct control, that you need to allow for in order to solve your particular problem. So the best thing to do at this point is just to see this process in action. So please join me in the next lesson where we will look at an example problem and work through our list of environmental questions whilst using mind mapping to record our answers. After that, you're going to get your hands dirty by going back to the problem you worked on in your 5 whys analysis, and then you're going to use that list of questions to perform your own environmental analysis. So, when you're ready, please join me in the next lesson. And as always, thank you very much for your time.